Hello everyone, welcome to our kitchen of Mr. Fridge. I believe most girls really wish to eat a lot without growing fat. However, in fact, our body needs nutrition and vitamins every day, so I think we should take them into consideration while we're cooking. So this time, I'm going to teach you how to cook in a condition of no fire. Auntie, what's your favorite food?
My favorite food is cucumber.
Oh, I got a message. Have to check it.
Just take your time.
Oh, it's from Mr. Fridge. He told me your cucumber has 2 days left before expiration. You know what? It's so bad to waste food. Thank you, Mr. Fridge. Then we will make cucumber and avocado roll for today.